Hi. In this video we will show you how to approve tasks awaiting your approval. Once a task awaits your approval, the system will send you an email notification. The email contains a convenient link that directs you to the task. This will open the task page, scroll to the approval center and take the necessary action. Same actions can be taken from the task page within Lexzur. Head over to the tasks page in the system and open the task you need. Under the Matter Attachments or Checklist section there is the Approval Center. To approve the contract, simply click on the Approve button, the green tick, and add comments if needed, optional in this case. The approval process will proceed and the next approver will be notified similarly to approve the task. To reject the contract, click on the red X, and you must specify a comment for rejection. If you're the first approver in the order, your rejection halts the task's journey. It won't skip to the next approver until you've reviewed and approved the task. The comments will be added within the approval level to make easy for others to check the approval or rejection comments. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.